It sure is. Yeah, Mother Nature being kind to us in a way, kind of easing us into the colder start to the week. Here's a look at the weather system that brought us the rain and the wind yesterday, and we are still windy this morning, and now the colder air ushering in behind it. But take a look, still more snow falling across the Northeast. They're expecting maybe another half a foot to a foot of snow. Blizzard warnings in effect for a handful of states up in the Northeast until later tonight. So if you had any flights up that way, you need to be keeping an eye on them. Unfortunately, a lot of cancellations already over at TPA. And you know how it is. It can be a domino effect when they're trying to get everyone back up and running. So important to keep an eye on those flights if you had any travel plans this week, especially up to the Northeast. Here at home, again, still breezy. We're looking at northwest wind anywhere between 5 to 20 miles per hour in Clearwater, gusts over 20 throughout Pinellas County. So that is going to make the cold feel even colder, feeling more like the 30s throughout Polk County, 38 in Lake Wales and in Lakeland, feeling like 38 in Brooksville, even feeling more like the 40s across the Bay Area. 45 is what it feels like in Tampa, 48 in St. Pete. So you will need the jackets this morning, and you'll need the layers all day long. It is going to be chilly throughout the entire day. Highs today only in the low to mid 50s, closer to 60 south of town, and it will stay windy with gusts 25 to 30. So what does that mean? With the lower humidity and the wind, we do also have high fire danger today. We've been telling you about the burn bans and how you're not supposed to be doing any outdoor burning. There's just an extra emphasis on that today. Any kind of fire that sparks today could spread quickly with that low humidity and the wind. Overnight tonight, even colder. This is what Jameson and Caitlin were talking about. We're waking up in the upper 20s to low 30s along the Nature Coast. Hard freeze expected there. Low 30s inland, even some 30s expected across the Bay Area, closer to 40 near the water. But you will need the coats out the door tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, highs will be a little warmer, near 60 degrees. And we will have a nice warming trend on the way mid to late week. So this cold weather will be short-lived for us. Strong ridge of high pressure will build in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. So by Thursday, highs are back near 80 degrees and will stay near 80, if not exceed 80, even through the weekend. But what we won't stay is dry. Another cold front moves in on Friday. Here's Friday afternoon. It does look like scattered showers will be possible. It looks like right now the rainiest time of day will be Friday night into early Saturday morning, although models are starting to potentially trend drier on Friday. So we really need to do some work on the rain timing, but early Saturday showers will be possible, trending drier Saturday afternoon into the evening. But do know that we are looking ahead to a more elevated rain chance Friday into Saturday. Sunday trends drier as that front starts to dissipate over the area. But we could pick up some very beneficial rainfall. Look at these totals. Widespread over an inch, maybe potentially over 2.5 inches of rain in some spots, which is more than we've collectively picked up in months across the Bay Area. So even though, of course, the timing might not be great, impacting some of the weekend with all that we have going on, we really do need the rain, so we'll take it when we can get it. Rain forecast shows rough water on the bay with the small craft advisory through the morning. Seas 7 to 9 feet. Not a good boating day today, but that boating forecast will improve back half of the week. 7 days shows the weather impact alerts for the cold mornings today and tomorrow with highs in the 50s. And then we warm up closer to 80 Thursday with those increasing rain chances Friday and Saturday.